Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of June 20th through the 26th in my Recollections vertical planner. This week I'm using this kit from Lovely Planner called Summer. I'm not totally sure. You'll see in my title and description down below whatever it's called, but it's cute and summery and fun, and I'm excited to use it. So that's my plan, is to use this kit. I did pull a few extras because I know I'm going to need a few things. This washi tape is from Michaels, as is this one. These two are going to make up the bottom washi. I'm pulling in a bit more of the kind of blue that pops up a little bit because I like it and I think it's fun. These two super skinny ones are from Amazon. I don't know if I'm going to need them, but just in case, I pulled them. And then this last one is also from Amazon, but I'm going to use this for my top row headers. So my plan is to stick down all of these washi's as well as the weekend banner. And then I'll come back so we can do the interesting bits. I don't need any other headers or anything like that, since the full boxes will cover the rest. So that's my plan. I'm going to do those things and then I will be right back. All right, here is where we are thus far. I think it's looking pretty cute. So just going to stick down the full boxes now. This one that says Summer is a State of Mind. It has a quote on it, so feels appropriate to be used as my quote box. So just gonna go with that. There's some little scrippy scraps on there still. So just gonna stick that down. There we go. Of the ones that are remaining, I feel like these two kind of go together, even though their background isn't the same. Maybe I'll do these two together, and then these two sunflower ones together, which will leave like these two, and then I'll put the avocado toast in the middle. I felt like the clothing should go not together, but their backgrounds are so different, so I will just adjust it. I'm just gonna line up with the top. I didn't white anything out. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. There we go. Next up, I think I'm gonna do this little handbag. I'm gonna stick that over here. And then I'm gonna stick this swimsuit over on this side. I can get everything lined up. There we go. Not perfect, but close enough. And then to keep the clothes separated from each other, I'm gonna put the hand, once I pull off the slippy straps, over here. And then the cute little outfit. I feel like I should just trim these scrippy scraps. There we go. Stick them over here. That leaves a beach hut and a camera. Even though it doesn't, like, there's not a lot of logic to what I pick for either of the sides, I'm gonna stick this one on Monday because it feels like that makes it fit into the page instead of out of the page. If that makes any sense. I don't know if it does. I like to have my boxes trying to like face towards the center when possible. And then stick this one right here. There we go. That covers all of that. So now we can start in on the plans. So for the sidebar, I definitely want to use this meal planning box. So that I can put in my dinners. So once I put that in, that still leaves like a good amount of space. So I think my plan is going to be, I I think I'm going to use this. At least up here at the top. I do like how it's like a little foiled. So try to mix that up a little bit. And then I'm going to stick in 2 habit trackers. I'm going to start with this one. And I'm going to use the yellow one. I'm going to leave the mint green because it matches my meal planning thing. Sorry if you can hear my cat being crazy in the background. I don't exactly know what he's doing. All right, there's that. And then that leaves me, oh, that looks actually pretty perfect. So I'm going to just stick another row of this washi. Don't use my scissors. That's not going to be very helpful. I'm just going to trim off the extra paper. There we go. Stick all of that stuff out of the way. And then stick this down right there. Crooked, but close enough. So that's my sidebar. That turned out pretty well, I think. For the days of the week, I was going to start with work, but that's wrong. For Monday, I have a day off because it is Juneteenth, or observation of Juneteenth, more accurately. I'm going to use the light green day off that came in the kit because I don't want yellow next to yellow. It's like a lot. So just going to stick that down like so. And then for the remainder of the days for work, maybe I'll use these prayer planner ones. That green's like totally wrong though. I'm trying to find ones that kind of go. Maybe I'll try these from Creative Cavern Studio to kind of like mix in. So we'll include one of these and then a yellow one. And then I'll just hold these out to deal with the other side when I get there. So I have a day off. I am gonna still post my plan with me that day. That doesn't change. So trying to figure out what I have that I can. I'm gonna use these guys, I think. These are from Piper Paper Company. Last I knew, my discount code down below works, so feel free to use that if you like. I do get some shop credit if you use it, so no pressure, but it's there if you like it. Also on Tuesday, I might actually want to move this guy down. I think that's all I have for Monday. I have a tentative movie night with friends, but I'm not going to fill it in because it's a little up in the air about whether or not that happens. On Tuesday, I do want to mark the solstice. I think I'm going to do it with this half box. It's like really large, but also I don't have that much going on, so why not just take advantage? It's possible we'll do something. I know our baseball team's in town, minor league baseball, something like that, but we'll see. And then I'll stick my work sticker back down. So that's going to be just to mark the summer solstice. Otherwise, I don't know what's going on right now that day. Wednesday, already done. Moving on to the second half of the week, I need 2 more work stickers. I'm going to use one of this, like, this brighter green because I feel like it goes with the, like, sunflower leaves. So I think I can use one there. And then I'm going to use this, like, seafoam color because I feel like that kind of fits into, like, the camera and some of the other background. So maybe just put these away before I lose where they go. Thursday, I have nothing planned otherwise, and Friday, I am just going to mark my plan with me, or my whatever video goes up. I'm not sure what's going up, but you'll know by the time you see it. Saturday and Sunday are still very up in the air. Not sure what's going on. Probably prep for the following week when we're going to be out of town for the weekend. So I think this is where we're at right now. I'll do a little wiggle and twerk so you can see the bits of foil that exist. But I think it's looking really cute, and I'm excited to see how it looks once it's all filled in. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk since there's that little bit of foiled washi on there. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Lovely Planner. As usual, I have a decent amount of leftovers that I'm just gonna throw into my leftovers folder. But of the other things, this skinny washi that's kind of foiled is from Michaels, as is this other one along the bottom. And then this one along the top is from Amazon. This is from Piper Paper Company, Avalon and 9th, Creative Cavern Studio, same for all of the laptops. This is from a little Michaels sticker book. This is from a Korean sticker sheet from AliExpress. Piper Paper Company, Piper Paper Company. This is leftover from Life with Mayra. Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio. This is from an Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the leftover, I think, from Plannerology Studio. And then everything else came from the kit. So I think it turned out super cute and fun and colorful. So I think that was pretty great for this first official week of summer. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. I will also post on Instagram my in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. You can find that at Creative Life of Liz. And then also let me know down below if you've done anything exciting for the start of summer. We didn't really do anything crazy this week, but definitely kept busy. So as always, lovely to hear from you. And until next time, bye.